Alright, good morning CAU students. My name is Branger and I'll be doing your weather briefing today. Today is the 8th, which is a Friday, and we'll hop right into it. So, as you can see here, we have some weather going on. We've been talking about this for a while now, but what I found interesting is that although there's still fires going on here, excuse me, there's so much weather going on here that it's actually blocking any sort of thing that we can see. It's also clear that at a higher altitude that there is something moving across northern Arizona as well. And we could even see not that much morning fog, but again, yeah, we have this giant weather system that's over us, and we'll see how it's going to affect Bakersfield. Maybe we get rain, maybe we don't. So we're going to look at the METAR. So right now, 280 at 4 knots, 8 statute miles, smoke overcast at 3,400, temperature 17, dew point 7. We can see that the visibility has actually been pretty good all day, which is nice. But we do see that we have some lower, 8,000, 6,000, 3,000, 3,400. So it's been getting lower and lower as the day has gone on. Looking at the tasks for the day, Bakersfield, what stuck out to me is that we have the tempo. We have rain showers broke at 5,000 eventually, so hopefully that actually falls through. I think we're all sort of doubtful that anything is going to happen, but again, it'd be pretty nice. Anyway, so KCMA, variable 3 knots, broken 4,500. They have showers in the vicinity. Again, nothing dramatic going on in KCMA. San Diego, rain showers, 14. They have some IFR conditions. We could also look, just overcast around 3,000 feet for Phoenix, or excuse me, for San Diego. Now we're looking at Phoenix. Everyone can see that those clouds we were looking at, they weren't necessarily over Phoenix. It's more just above Phoenix to the northwest. But 12,000, 25,000. So VFR conditions over there. But again, we can see here. I'll zoom out just a little bit. We got all this going on. Over the mountain ranges here, where those fires are even going, we see mixed precipitation, which just means icing and freezing conditions and whatnot. We could also see that we have rain, thunderstorms potential. It says it's right smack dab right over Bakersfield, but again, we'll just have to see. It's including Long Beach and LA, more over the mountain range. You can even see the northwest of Arizona. Phoenix is not affected by that at all. And again, we can see this giant mess. I kind of kept all the overlays on just so you can see. It's always kind of fascinating to see all the stuff that's going on. So I'll go over it one by one here. We'll do this. So mountain obscuration, off the coast here. Way more inland. As we go on, the IFR air met. Okay, over the LA area. Oop, don't click the tab. There we go. Freezing. Line. I can see. Follow the line. Follow the line. Let me zoom out here at 12,000. Low 12,000, and actually says 8,000 over there. Look at the icing air mets. So there's actually a giant one covering the southern sort of San Diego and just east of San Francisco and whatnot. Surface, nope. Low level wind shear, Nevada not affecting us. Turbulence low, oh that's where it starts getting mixy. So this sort of they saw there was this giant weather that was going on, so they just gave a giant area of where that could possibly. Here, I'll take off all the other stuff so it's a little bit easier to see. So we can see that turbulence low all over California. Turbulence high, come on. Turbulence high, again, not affecting us, but interesting to see. We can move on, and because of all that weather, we have these higher winds. So, from like near the surface to about 4,000 or 5,000 feet, we're already at 10, 12 knots. What is interesting from that 6,000 to 8,000 range, that's when we get to 20, 30 knots, so be careful out there. And then even crazier, I get to 15,000 feet, 50 knots. But that's about it. This will be my last weather presentation. I appreciate you guys. It's been a pleasure doing this all semester, and have a good one.